Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to find Minecraft server seed. To find Minecraft server seed, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, getting a seed is much easier if you are the server owner or admin. That's because you have the right to use commands by default, while others may not have the permissions to do so. Now, here's what you need to do is load into the server first of all. When you swap in the wall, press slash to open the console. Next thing, what you have to do is type in the word seed without quote and all in the lowercase as well. After you've actually done it so, press the enter button in the right hand side corner. Copy the seed that you see displayed in the chat window. With the seed in your possession, you could open a new single player world and recreate it. Since Minecraft server and offline aren't connected, there is no possibility of running the server. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.